Hey everyone, today we are traveling from Tirupati to Kochi to attend a family function. Kochi is a district from Kerala. As everyone is aware, Kerala is also called as God's own country, and Kochi is famous for its cuisines and backwater. During the route, we will encounter scenic mountain views and lush greenery. To reach Kochi, we will head via Tirupati bypass. Then we will take NH 140 until Chittoor, where you can witness scenic hills along the route. Due to cloud and rain, it gets very beautiful. This route also leads to Bangalore, which is 270 kilometers away. Will take 4 hours 30 minutes to reach. From there, we will take diversion towards south and proceed via NH40, crossing our first border between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, next Karpadi, and then Vellore. After reaching Vellore, we will proceed towards west direction, taking NH4, bypassing Ambur, famous for its unique biryani flavor. After that, we will head towards Krishnagiri, passing through the renowned scenic hills of Yelagiri. Krishnagiri is also a beautiful destination worth visiting. We have traveled multiple times along the road. We began recording our travel only in the past few months. Otherwise, we could have showcased many of these places we have already visited. We'll take NH44 from there until we reach Salem. From here, we can either take Dindigul route following NH44 or NH544 until Coimbatore, then crossing Kerala border to reach Palakkad, then Thrissur, then finally reaching Kochi. We'll take NH 544, which is shortest among previous mentioned route, since time is the limit for us in this occasion. For this voyage, we will take Vellore, Salem, Coimbatore route to reach Kochi. Another option is Dindigul route, which is very famous for its scenic and full of adventure. We have already traveled via this route with many hairpin bends along the route, and sometimes it can cause bottleneck situation. This route we mostly cover while going to hill stations along the Western Ghats. I forget to mention the route which we will cover is along some parts of Eastern Ghats to Western Ghats. The total distance is 676 kilometers, which should take 12 plus hours approx. In our case, it will be more since we will have coffee and food break. It's our third time visiting Kerala via this same route, and every time we visited, we have overpleased with the beauty along the route. We started at around 6:30 in the morning and hopefully to reach by 8 in evening. Since it's weekend, we are expecting traffic along the route. Since earlier we had traveled on night hours so traffic was good and route was very pleasing. But this time, due to weekends and multiple holidays, roads will be fully packed. The route we are currently in Tirupati bypass, which is a 4-lane highway, and currently we have reached until Tirchanur. This is Swarnamukhi River, which originates near Tirupati, flows through Nellore, and eventually merges into Bay of Bengal. Still 664 kilometers left and expected to reach by 7:20 pm. Such a lovely view with the touch of smoke and cloud, yet it remains incredibly beautiful. I have included a clip of the route speed up 4x for your enjoyment. It may be hard to capture the full beauty on camera, but the scenery is truly stunning. On the route, we have also encountered speed camera. We'll tag the location to avoid any speed tickets. We were traveling at 80, but speed camera shows 76. That's odd. If you guys know the reason, let me know in the comment. What a beauty. Camera was misconfigured, else it would have been more stunning view. Let me know in comments how to reset the GoPro 12 settings. I apologize for the same. These hills are one of the 7 along the Seshachalam range. What a beautiful view. with the greenery all around and the hills in the distance. It's such a iconic scene. It's a 6-lane highway, so the tolls will be higher, but the people are willing to pay that cost. First toll plaza, Gadangi toll plaza. So next will be Chittoor. Hanuman statue. It's so big. Jai Shri Ram. As you can see, Bangalore is 197 kilometers away and Kadapa 146. Kanipakam is 4 kilometers away. We have to take a service lane and take left. It's a very famous temple of God Ganesh as the idol is growing by itself. We have planned to visit the same in near future. Now Chittoor is 5 kilometers and have to take left towards south and Bangalore or Bangalore 178 kilometers and have to take right in next junction. Take left towards Chittoor Vellore route. Right will lead to Bangalore. Traveling straight will go towards Chittoor city and taking left will lead to Vellore. We are almost near border with Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, which should be 5 kilometers away. Road is in very bad state, a little off-road. Good to have a higher ground clearance. You see how deep the potholes are. Welcome to Tamil Nadu. This is the checkpost from Tamil Nadu side. From this point, Vellore city is 15 kilometers away. On the way, we will pass through Katpadi, then Vellore. This is Pala river. It originates from Nandi Hills in Karnataka, flows through Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, finally merge into Bay of Bengal. We have reached Vellore city at 9 am. Vellore is very famous for Sri Lakshmi Narayani Golden Temple, Vellore Fort and Vellore Institute of Technology. Lakshmi Narayani Golden Temple is a must visit, especially during evening hours where they have light shows and they are very spectacular. We'll plan to visit both of them. If you drive straight, it will lead to Vellore Fort and passing that you can also navigate to Lakshmi Narayani Golden Temple. But for us, we have to travel to service road. The national highway we are connecting is NH4, which is Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai until Krishnagiri. Look how reckless people are while riding bike taking selfie. That also without helmet. Oh my god, it's video call. A quick break for coconut water. Normally they sell coconut in very nominal rates and they are really very good and sweet. Coconut water was really refreshing, a must needed break, and they charged just 20 each. We took two of them. Now the next stop would be Krishnagiri. Hopefully we'll reach in an hour. Reach Krishnagiri circle at 12 pm. Turning right will lead to Bangalore route NH4. This route we have already covered in our Chennai Bangalore trip. You can check it out. Attached link for the same. Turning left will head towards Salem route. Now we will start looking for lunch stop after Thopur mountain pass. Reach Thopur mountain pass. Now traffic will be slow due to barricades and dangers downhill along the path. Speed limit is 30, but no one follows except us and few others. They also have speed camera which displays speed projected towards route at night. At night, they make announcement through speakers along the road advising drivers to slow down. Namakkal 89 km, Madurai 254 km, Erode 91 km, and Palakkad 242 km. We had lunch at Raaja Virundhu restaurant near Omalur, Salem. The restaurant was in opposite direction, requiring a U-turn. We ordered a tandoori roti, chicken biryani, and chicken curry. The food was good and little pricey. Total bill was rupees 680. Now Avinashi is next, 18 km, Kochi 253 km. Avinashi is famous for Arulmuga Avinashi Lingeshwara temple of God Shiva. Have to take service road to go to Avinashi city. Will visit someday. Reach Coimbatore around 5:15 pm. The place of many tolls. They have around 6 tolls in the stretch of 35 kilometers. I don't know why they have so many tolls and they are very costly for single lane. Comment me if you know the reason. Due to single lane traffic will be very slow. Quick tip. Do full tank in Tamil Nadu as it will be very costly in Kerala. We did full tank just before Tamil Nadu Kerala border. Visibility is low due to sunset time, but it's very beautiful. It's almost 6 pm and we have almost crossed Coimbatore. Welcome to Kerala. We're entering via Vellore border. We're heading to Marad, Kochi for the night before continuing to Kozhikode for the function. If we don't have plans to stop in Kochi, we could have gone directly to Kozhikode from Palakkad, but other commitments require us to go to Kochi. First toll in Kerala, Vellore toll. From here, highways are 4-lane and traffic will be high along the route. Now the speed limit check started. In Kerala, you may get hefty fines for speeding and also for bikers mandatory helmets for passengers as well. Not sure about the limit in National Highway, but it can be 80 km per hour. Last time we had paid $1,000 for speeding unknowingly. Comment me the speed limit in highway and state road in Kerala. Still, people are cruising above 80 kilometers per hour, wondering if the speed limit is 100 kilometers per hour. Stuck in traffic from last 15 minutes. It's moving but very slow. You can see the intensity of the traffic in the opposite lane. Kuthiran Tunnel, a 6-lane tube-shaped tunnel of around 1 kilometer, is inaugurated just few years back. Not exactly sure the year, but it's really good, especially during the daytime, and help us reduce the time. Chavanaman Adequate. It's a canal carrying water over NH 544. These were used for irrigation field in Thrissur, originated from Peachy Dam. We arrived in Kochi around 9 pm, but traffic on the way to Murad delayed us slightly, and we reached our in-laws' home around 10 pm. Overall, the trip was good. Traffic at multiple places causes us some dear time, else we may have reached earlier. We'll meet in our next vlog. Until that, safe travel, wear seatbelts, always travel under speed limit, wear helmet while driving motorbikes and the co-passenger. Thank you. Bye.